Welcome back to Grow My Savings. If you've started learning about investing, you've probably heard the terms index funds and ETFs thrown around and wondered what's the difference. Both are great ways to invest in the stock market without picking individual stocks, and both help your money grow through diversification and long-term consistency. But while they seem similar, there are a few key differences that can help you decide which is better for you, especially if you're a beginner. So today, we're breaking it down simply: what they are, how they differ, and which one might be the smarter choice to start with. Let's start with the basics. Both index funds and ETFs, which stands for exchange-traded funds, are baskets of investments. So that means when you buy one, you're actually buying a small piece of hundreds or even thousands of companies all at once. Instead of betting on one stock like Apple or Tesla, you own a slice of the entire market, like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. This instantly gives you diversification, lowering your risk while still letting your money grow with the market. So the main goal of both is the same: simple, low-cost, long-term investing. Now, here's where they start to differ, mainly in how you buy them, how they trade, and how flexible they are. One, how you buy them. Index funds are usually bought directly from an investment company, like Vanguard or Fidelity. ETFs are traded on the stock market, just like a regular stock. You can buy and sell them anytime during the day through your broker or app. 2, minimum investment. Some index funds have minimum investment requirements, often $500 or even $3,000. ETFs, on the other hand, let you start with as little as the price of one share, or even less if your platform offers fractional shares. 3, pricing. ETFs have real-time prices that change throughout the day. Index funds only update their price once daily after the market closes. Flexibility. ETFs offer more flexibility for active traders who want control over when they buy or sell. Index funds are simpler, perfect for set-it-and-forget-it investors. So, which one should you start with? If you want something hands-off, automatic, and consistent, go with an index fund. They're great for long-term investing like retirement or general wealth building. But if you want flexibility, lower starting costs, and the ability to trade anytime, ETFs might be your best bet. The truth is, you can't go wrong with either. Both have low fees, diversification, and steady returns over time. It really depends on your comfort and style. Think of it like this: index funds, autopilot investing. ETFs, flexible investing. Both get you to the same destination: financial growth. Here's a simple strategy many beginners use. Start with a low-cost S&P 500 index fund or ETF. It tracks the 500 biggest US companies and has a long history of steady returns. You'll own pieces of major companies like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft automatically. Then, once you get comfortable, you can explore more ETFs or add other types of funds. The key isn't which one you pick, but it's starting early and staying consistent. Thanks for watching Grow My Savings. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's ready to start investing the smart way. And don't miss our next video: Passive Investing: How to Grow Wealth Without Constantly Checking the Market, where we'll show how to build wealth calmly and confidently over time.